I want to prove to you in this video that working out oftentimes can ruin your posture or make your posture even worse, as well as the very thing that can cause you back pain down the road. And if you're actually looking to improve your posture, you don't even need to go to the gym and do those conventional gym exercises. You would need to do completely different types of exercises, which I'll talk about a bit later. So let's dive in. Here's me showing a pull down tricep exercise, one that you would do with pretty good form, but what I usually see at the gym is people's heads protrudes forward. As they're doing it, their head protrudes forward, which compromises their whole form, as well as it promotes forward head posture. Another common fault is people shrug their shoulders up. And oftentimes it's in combination with the head going forward. So this shrugging up with the shoulders and the forward head posture is really terrible for your posture, for training your neuromuscular control, and you're not even getting a good tricep workout from it. The last fault that I see often is people arch their low back excessively. This is extremely common. Again, you're promoting anterior pelvic tilt posture instead of a neutral spinal posture. So with this example, can you see why I'm saying that working out oftentimes leads to a worse posture? Now, if you are in the minority and you have really good posture and form when you're doing that tricep pull down, then congratulations to you. But most people don't have good form. So next time you go to the gym, make sure you really are aware of your entire posture from head to toe so that you are not practicing and making your posture even worse. Now, one of the main reasons why people have such bad form at the gym is because everybody's trying to become a bodybuilder and they're trying to do as much weight as possible. They think they're a big hero, so they bump up the weight, and as the weight gets higher and higher, usually the form gets compromised because you cannot properly do that amount of weight. Your whole body is going to be distorted. So what's the remedy here? Just lower the weight. Make sure you do the right weight and the right reps for you. Only do the amount of reps and sets for any exercise that allows you to be in good form the entire time. If you're losing form, you're done. That's not the amount you need to do anymore. Save it for another day. And you want to gradually, progressively overload over a long period of time. You don't go up 5-10 pounds every week, okay? You want to do it a lot slower if you're going to bump up the weight. Now let's look at another one, the chest press. When I'm doing this exercise, again, I'm going to jut my head forward, showing you the wrong form. Again, you're practicing the wrong posture, and you don't want to do this. So that's one of the main faults here. Another one is people excessively arch their low backs. I know it's a little bit hard to see here with the black shirt that I'm wearing, but right now I'm excessively arching my low back as I'm pushing forward. And so this is no good. What you want to do is bring your stomach in and feel your low back against the bench, and now do the pressing from that position, practicing a good neutral spinal position, practicing a good posture together with your head back. So you want to tuck that chin back, and now you want to press, keeping your spine in a neutral position. That's what you want to practice. Now, this can apply to any exercise. I'm going to show you one more, the bicep curls. You can see me here sitting at a machine, and as I'm doing it, I'm rounding my shoulders forward, I'm bringing my head and neck down, and I'm doing the biceps. Now, to be honest, when I was filming this, I could feel myself not even engaging my bicep muscles that well because of my poor posture. So your poor posture also doesn't allow you to work out properly. It's like working out causes poor posture, and poor posture makes your working out not as effective. Again, you want to bring those shoulders back, that head back, tuck in your belly button, and then do these bicep curls properly. So this can apply to any exercise in the gym, to any exercise you're currently doing, you want to pay attention to your form from head to toe, and especially those main areas that I covered today, which is the shoulders and the head, okay? So you don't want the head and the shoulders to protrude like this whenever you're doing any kind of exercise. Tuck your chin in. You can take 2 fingers. We've talked about the chin tuck exercise here many times. So this is where you can bring it back, and then make sure your shoulders are pulled back. And this is why we urge you guys to work on thoracic extension, so you can do this, so you have that range of motion in there, as well as the low back. You don't want to arch your low back excessively whenever you're doing any kind of exercise. Again, you want to pull in your stomach, get that neutral spinal position, and feel that you're aligned from the ear to your shoulder, to your hip, knee, and foot. Now, as I mentioned in the very beginning, if you want to actually improve your posture, you would need to do specific postural exercises. It's not about building muscle, it's about neuromuscular control. It's getting your nervous system to do certain things, stretching and mobilizing certain muscles and strengthening other muscles so that you can stay in that position longer in a more neutral spinal position. By the way, we recently released our posture app called Posture Flow. It's available right now on iOS devices. It will be available on Android soon as well. So you can get more information about it either here on the video or down below in the description. And this posture app has all the best stretches and strengthening exercises to help you improve your posture on a daily basis. You're gonna get notifications on your phone, so you're gonna get reminders to do your posture breaks throughout the day. So, because you need to do this often throughout the day. You need to do simple movements so you can really train your body for a better posture. And we are offering a 7-day free trial to it, so you can try us out completely free. And like I said, you can download it right now in the App Store. Lastly, if you'd like to get our 3 Days to a Better Posture email course, it's completely free. There's going to be a link to get it somewhere here or down below. It's going to help you improve your posture for free with simple step-by-step videos. Otherwise, let me know how you guys enjoyed this video down below in the comments. Leave me a comment, let me know if this topic resonated with you. Do you have poor posture when you're working out? Do you feel like your shoulders are creeping up every time you do tricep pull downs? I'd love to hear from you. Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this.